Welcome to MotorMav. Do you want to check the shift solenoid status and wonder where the Honda CRV shift solenoid is? In this video, we will show you that. You will normally find the solenoid under the airbox, adjacent to the air filter, and beneath the battery on the driver's side. For Honda CRV, there are multiple shift solenoids, A and B, C and D, VTC, overdrive, etc. You can easily access these, as they are installed outside the transmission system. Generally, the shift solenoid A and B assembly is on the rear bottom side of the automatic transmission. This side faces towards the wheels on the passenger side. But if you own a Honda CRV between 2002 and 2006, the shift solenoid's position has been changed. The VTEC solenoid location is at the back end of the engine on the passenger side. Hopefully, we have been able to give some ideas. Visit our page MotorMav to read this blog in detail. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.